Daily use kitchen small sentence. I fill the water bottle. I keep food in the fridge. I keep food in the fridge. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I make tea. I make tea. I cut vegetables. I cut vegetables. I boil milk. I boil milk. I wash dish. I wash dish. I make vegetable. I make vegetable. I fry the egg. I fry the egg. I chop the onions. I chop the onions.